हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज आम देखा जोग्राफी टॉप मोस्ट रिपीटेड इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन उपर जहाँकि आपण बहुत हेल्पफुल हम। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हिमालय माउंटेन रेंज फॉल अंडर व्हिच टाइप ऑफ माउंटेन? ब्लॉक माउंटेन, रेसिडुअल माउंटेन, एक्यूमुलेटेड माउंटेन और फोल्ड माउंटेन? ऑप्शन डी, फोल्ड माउंटेन। हिमालय हूँ गोटे यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन, आरावली हूँ ओल्ड फोल्ड माउंटेन। मुझे डिटेल्स देदेछि, आपण माने देखिपारे। Second question, which is the brightest planet of the solar system? Jupiter, Mercury, Uranus or Venus? Option D, Venus. Venus is second planet from the sun. Venus को हमें Earth twin बोली बोध कही था। Jupiter हूँ fifth planet from the sun. Jupiter हूँ gas giant planet mainly composed of hydrogen and helium. Sun भी मध्य hydrogen and helium रे तैयारी। Venus and Uranus rotate करते clockwise direction रे। और बाकी जितने सारा planet सेटा anti clockwise direction में move करते। West to east को move करते। Third number question, in which Indian state Marina Beach located? Goa, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra? Option B, Tamil Nadu. Fourth question, the color of star indicate its dash, distance, luminosity, mass and temperature? Option D, temperature. Star ର color temperature को indicate करे, जोटर की blue होची सबटू hottest, then yellow, then orange, then red. Fifth question, which is the largest gulf in the world? Gulf of Alaska, Gulf of Oman, Gulf of Mexico, Persian Gulf? Option C, Gulf of Mexico. ମୁଁ details ଦେଇଛି, ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ। Sixth number question, the 19 East Ridge is a submarine volcanic ridge located in Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean or Arctic Ocean? Option C, Indian Ocean. Seventh number question, India is developing Chahabar port. Which of the following countries? Iraq, Oman, Iran, Afghanistan? Option C, Iran. Eighth number question, which of the following isthmus located in the Malaya Peninsula? Medicine Isthmus, Isthmus of Kra, Isthmus of Falkland, Isthmus of Avalon? Option B, Isthmus of Kra. Nine number question, which of the following river crossed Tropic of Capricorn twice? Vaal River, Limpopo River, Ganga River, Amazon River? Option B, Limpopo River. 10 number question, Madhya Pradesh is the biggest production of cotton, coffee, pulses or maize? Option C, pulses. 11 number question, where is the Saltoro range located? Ladakh, along the Vindhyas, part of Karakoram range, part of Western Ghat? Option C, part of Karakoram range. Honshu Island is situated in which country? China, South Korea, Indonesia, Japan? Option D, Japan. 13 number question, which among the following sea is known for high salinity? Red Sea, Dead Sea, Caspian Sea, Arabian Sea? Option B, Dead Sea. 14 number question, Suez Canal connect Red Sea and Arabian Sea, Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea, Arabian Sea and Mediterranean Sea, North Sea and Baltic Sea? Option B, Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. 15 number question, Jhum is dash, a folk dance, a river, a tribe of northeastern India, a type of cultivation? Option D, a type of cultivation. झूम को हमें बेसिकली स्लैश एंड बर्न फार्मिंग बोली कहूँ, जोटा कि नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट करा जाए। 16 number question, Hainan Island is located which country? Japan, China, Thailand and Maldives? Option B, China. 17 number question, the term epicenter is associated with dash, earthquake, volcanoes, cyclones and landslide? Option A, earthquake. 18 number question, Which of the following state is the largest wheat producing state in India? Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana. Option B, Uttar Pradesh. 19 number question. Which of the following areas of region is most prone to earthquakes? Deccan Plateau, Ganga Brahmaputra Valley, plains of northeastern India, or Western Ghat? Option B, Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. 20 number question. Which soil is the best for the production of cotton? Black soil, loam soil, alluvial soil, laterite soil. Option A, black soil. Black soil को हमें रेगुर soil बोली तो कही था. 21 number question. What is the number of known satellite of Jupiter? 35, 55, 42, 95. Option D, 95. 20 number question. Which of the following countries is known as fields of Caribbean Sea? Cuba, Anguilla, Bahamas, and Jamaica. Option A, Cuba. With which of the neighboring countries India has Kalapani territory disputed? Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Option A, Nepal. 24 number question. As the rivers enter the plains, it twins and turns, forming large bends known as dash, crux, gulf, round, or meanders. Option D, meanders. 25 number question. Which is the highest peak of south of the Vindhyas? Baba Budan Hills, Garo, Anaimudi, or Nilgiri? Option C, Anaimudi. 26 number question. India 180 degrees longitude is also known as dash, Arctic Circle, International Datelines, Great Circles, Equator. Option B, International Datelines. 27 number question. Naga, Khasi and Garo hills are located in Eastern Range, Karakoram Range, Jaskar Range, or Himalaya Range. Option A, Eastern Range. 28 number question. The standard meridian of India is 75.5 east longitude, 82.5 east longitude, 90.5 east longitude, or 0 degree longitude. Option B, 82.5 east longitude. Green revolution is related to which crops? Rice, wheat, pulses, sugarcane. Option B, wheat. 30 number question. In which many part of the shadow earth is divided during solar or lunar eclipse? 5, 2, 4, and 3. Option D, 3. 31 number question. The topography of plateau is best for farming, forestry, mining, hydropower generation. Option C, mining. 32 number question. What is the name of longest coffee producing state in India? Sorry, largest. Option C, Karnataka. 33 number question. The region in which is a water divide between the Ganga and Indus river system is called as Haridwar, Namcha Bahar, Alaknanda, Ambala. Ambala. Which is the following device is used to measure the humidity? Hydrometer, hygrometer, odometer, anemometer. Option B, hygrometer. हाइग्रोमीटर स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी को मेजर करे, ओडोमीटर मेजर द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल को मेजर करे, एनोमीटर मेजर करे वेलोसिटी को, हाइग्रोमीटर मेजर करे कंटेंट ऑफ मॉइस्चर इन एयर रे. 35 number question. The salinity of soil measured by electrical conductivity meter, hygrometer, psychometer, or scalar. Option A, electrical conductivity meter. Which of the following is known as the roof of the world? Everest, Pamir Mountain, Siberian Field, Hindu Kush Mountain. Option B, Pamir Mountain. 37 number question. The state which tops in production of the mustard seed? Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Gujarat. Option B, Rajasthan. 38 number question. The narrow strip of land joining two landmass is called as cap, isthmus, stade, or peninsula. Option B, Isthmus. 39 number question. Which among the following is also known as Earth's sister planet? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, or Saturn? Option A, Venus. Which is the largest peninsula river in India? Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, Mahanadi. Option B, Godavari. 41 number question. Which is called the Lake District of India? Nainital, Simla, Sikkim, Mathiran. Option A, Nainital. 42 number question. El Nino is dash. Warm oceanic current, sea storm, tropical disturbance, another name of typhoon. A, warm oceanic current. 43 number question. How many Indian states share their boundary with Nepal? 3, 4, 8, and 5. Option D, 5. Which is the largest country of Africa? South Africa, Sudan, Algeria, and Egypt. Option C, Algeria. The Lena River passing through which country? China, USA, Russia, and Brazil. Option C, Russia. 46 number question. Which is the best suited soil for the cultivation of rice? Laterite soil, red soil, alluvial soil, or black soil? Option C, alluvial soil. 47 number question. Canal, greenhouse effect, flood, or caprock? Option A, canal. 48 number question. Why is crop rotation necessary? To increase the fertility of soil, to increase the quantity of minerals, to reduce the quantity of protein, to plug various type of crops. Option A, to increase the fertility of soil. 49 number question. Which is the smallest country in population wise? Vatican City, Nauru, Morocco, or Palau? Option A, Vatican City. In which Indian state is Marina Beach located? Goa, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Option B, Tamil Nadu. 51 number question. What is the name of the layer closest to the earth? Ionosphere, stratosphere, troposphere, or exosphere? Option C, troposphere. 52 number question. What is the rank of India in milk producing in the world? Fourth, third, second, or fifth, first? Option D, first. Water spout is a dash. Depression, hurricane, tornado, cyclone. Option C, tornado. यूएस रे साइक्लोन को आम टर्नाडो बोली कहूँ, इंडियन ओशन साइक्लोन बोली कहूँ, चाइना रे आम टाइफोन बोली कहते, कैरिबियन सी रे हरिकेन और ऑस्ट्रेलिया रे विली विली बोली कह जाए।